Hello, my friends. So today we're going to try the stratification process in order to make these seeds pretend they're dormant during the winter. So we're able to then germinate them and grow them. Now these seeds, these are milkweed seeds, but they're from 2019. And then these are Canna lily seeds, also from 2019. And what I want to experiment is I want to see if I'm able to make the stratification process for them so they're ready for germination and for planting. So that's my goal. It's just an experiment. And this is Mrs. Sandine, by the way. I'm just not the art teacher, I'm also a gardener. All right, I'm gonna show you. All right, so my friends, so this is what you need. You need 2 wet paper towels. You need, of course, seeds to make the stratification process. And let me explain briefly, I am not a science teacher, but basically what you want to do is have these seeds to pretend to be dormant during the winter, like in nature. They're outside, it's cold outside, so they become dormant, and then boom, then they're able to germinate when spring comes, okay? So these seeds are old. They're from 2019, but these are milkweed, so I want to try them. So I'm going to open up. Oh, by the way, you need Ziplock bags also. A wet paper towel, seeds, and a Ziplock bag. I like to label mine, and I'll show you the labels in a moment. So I'm going to open up my bag of seeds. These are the large leaf seeds of milkweed. Then again, these were with me for a while. I don't know if they will germinate, so I'm going to test them. I'm going to sprinkle them just like salt, sprinkle them down on the paper towel. I'm going to close these because I'm going to see if I can experiment in a different way. Then you're going to take the paper towel, you're going to roll it, right? And then fold it. I'm going to leave it like that. These will go in this bag. So I'm going to show you. The bag says Showy Milkweed Seeds. And then Speciosa was, I guess, the name of the seed packet. And I'm going to put them in here. And they were from 2019. It was a bag that I never, ever opened. Oh, my goodness. I just found them. Okay. All right, so I have my little baggie, and these bags will go inside the refrigerator in the bottom. It's set for 2 weeks. I don't know the truth. I'm probably gonna leave them for 3 weeks just to see since they're so old. So that's bag number 1. Bag number 2 will be Canna Lillies, right? So these are up to 4 feet tall. They're red and orange. And it's a good idea to put seeds. If you don't have a special envelope, it's okay if you have it in a Ziploc bag, but paper envelopes are better, actually. And these are Canna lily seeds. They're totally different because, cannas are larger plants. Yeah. Okay, they look like marbles. All right, so I'm going to test this. This is the first time testing this too, by the way. First time growing Canna lily from seed. I've always had transplants. All right, so I'm going to take my seeds, boom, put them in here safely before they roll out, okay? And I'm going to put them in my envelope. The year is the year that I had the seeds. And these seeds were from my yard. And great, they're falling off. All right, let's slide these babies in. And they're falling off the bag. Okay, stay there. All right, so I have that label. This I'm gonna throw away. I have a few seeds here. I'll probably test them on the ground to see what happens. I don't know. It's winter, so they could germinate or stratify. I have the stratification process outside. All right, so then these are going to go in my refrigerator. So that's the plan, okay? Oh, let me just show you this. Okay, so this is where I found my packets. A long time ago, I created these boxes I collaged them and put Mod Podge on them, cut little papers and everything like that. You see the front? And then, and I stored seeds. Yeah, I have a lot of seeds. These I'll probably try too. This is from, 2019. Oh, 2022. This should be really good. Okay, these actually will grow in this month. This month is February. All right, see, I have more. These were from a trip from Houston a long time ago, not the recent trip. And these are more things in here. And I have sunflower seeds as well. Black seed that I have never planted. And these are little seedlings things. I forgot the name. But anyways, what you do, which is the marvelous thing, you actually put water and these things grow. And then you can put the seeds in there like seed pods per se, which is fabulous. And they grow twice the size. You see how skinny it is? So it goes up to here. And it has inside, it has peat moss and little other ingredients that you require in the soil to germinate, just the seed. All right, so I save these as well. And if I need them, I use them because you can reuse these. All right, so just to show you my little seed box. And you can do a seed box at home. You just need to paint an old box. This is pretty old. And then glue some things. They're falling off. But you can glue some things there. Take from magazines, newspapers, and so forth. And put your seeds in here. Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching. Adios.